Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Filmora video editing app. And in today's video, I will show you how to install Filmora video editing app and how you can import your first project in the timeline in Filmora video editing app, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone. Let me show you how. I'm using Android phone in this tutorial. First thing first, go ahead and open up your Play Store. After you open up your Play Store, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on search. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on search app and games. Then go ahead and type in Filmora. Hit on search. And it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on here. Filmora AI video editor. It's going to take you to this interface. So at the time of making this video, 100 million plus have downloaded and used this particular app to get simple video editing done. You can see the interface as far as Filmora video editing is concerned. The next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on install. After a successful download, next thing we want to do is to go ahead and make sure we click on open right here. Click on next, and click on get started. Then go ahead and click on here to exit from the pro options. And you'll be taken into this environment right here. And down below right here, you have templates. So there are a lot of templates right here that you can use. And then right here, you have, so you can see a whole lot of templates right here. So right here is your draft folder. And then right here, is your profile account right here, just like what you see right here. So if you want to log into the account, what you need to do is to simply click on login right here. Once you click on login, then go ahead and click on login with Google account. Then select your Google account. And you have successfully logged in, just like what you see right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on home tab right here. This allows you to come back to the home. For you to import your first project in Filmora, go ahead and click on new project right here. Then click on allow all. Then go ahead and select your video file from these options right here. So go ahead and select videos. Then under the video, you can import any of the files. So I'm going to select this. Then go ahead and import the file. Now successfully import and you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to use Filmora video editing app on your phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.